Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind Workshop. A little bit of a different video today, because as you might have seen from the thumbnail, I've been to Lidl and to Aldi. Now I only got one item from Lidl, and I only got 3 items from Aldi, simply because there wasn't a lot in stock, and there wasn't a lot I was interested in, if I'm perfectly honest. 2 of these items I brought for myself, and 2 I brought with the intention of giving away if I reach 1,000 subscribers. So what I'm going to start with is this 5-piece plier set from Workzone at Aldi, and this is one of the items I'll be giving away if I reach 1,000 subscribers. Let's have a look. Comes in a nice neat case. Nice chunky handles. Sort of a mixture of plastic and a little bit of rubber. Jaws seem to meet quite nicely. Let's have a look at the side cutters. Same handles, obviously. A little bit stiff. Appears to be a little bit of daylight through the jaws. Feel sharp though. And then we've got long nose pliers. Slightly smaller handles on these. Again, quite stiff, but they're new. Jaws seem to be lined up. Jaws meet nicely at the tip, but there's a little bit of daylight further down. And I believe I paid $11.99 for this set, by the way. Let's have a look at the adjustable spanner. Nice smooth movement on the leading screw. Maximum capacity seems to be about 3 or 4 centimeters. Let me just check. whatever that says. Hanging hole on the end. Quite a small grip. But quite comfortable. Quite a bit of play in the jaws. Well, I think that's the same for most adjustable spanners. And then finally, adjustable grips. Decent size grips on them, handles I mean. Jaws meet quite nicely. Seem quite well made. So yeah, like I say, not a bad DIY plier set. And if I reach 1,000 subscribers, this will be part of the giveaway. So if you'd like to win this set, please subscribe, like and comment. Next. So the next item is this carbide tipped hole saw set from Aldi, Ferrex at Aldi. If you want any of the information, there it is. I can't remember how much I paid for this, but I do know it was under a tenner. Little instruction book. But yeah, it comes with 4 hole saws by the looks of it. Very sharp teeth. Got, looks like the arbor for the 2 bigger ones. And then the arbor for the smaller ones. Yeah. But this is one of the items I'll be keeping. I might do a video giving it a try. Trying it out, I should say. not really a lot to say about this, other than seems pretty good quality for the money anyway. The third item is this scraper set from Deco at Aldi, and there's all the information if you want to read it. It comes with a wire brush, nice chunky plastic and rubberized wire brush. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Just the normal paint scraper. Again, rubberized grip with plastic in the middle. And then you've got the razor blade scraper with the button for pushing it in and out there, changing it, and you can put it all the way back and then set it to the depth. Now, compared to the handles on the other two items, I'm quite disappointed with this because it's very flimsy and light and there's no grip. But again, the whole set is pretty good for the money. I think this was under a £5. And last but not least, we have the only item that I picked up from Lidl. I mean, they had other power tools and bits and bobs in there, but this was the only thing that piqued my interest. Now, I'm not sure what this normally costs, but this was, I believe, $14.99 or $15.99. And I don't think that's bad for a little electric screwdriver, and it also acts as a pair of bellows, I believe, for blowing coals on a barbecue. And there is all the information. Again, if you want to read it. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail and take this out all over the place, because this is, well, I can get into it at all. This is one of the items I'll be giving away for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Instruction manual, USB to USB-C power cord, Nice protective case, bit of charge in it. So it's got there's a corkscrew for the barbecue. Pepper grinder or salt grinder. Pepper and salt grinder. Usual bits. And that looks like the blower. You see it comes apart. But yeah, like I say, I'm not going to be getting this all out and playing with it because I'm going to be giving this away hopefully if I reach 1,000 subscribers. But it seems like a pretty nice set. Great for a DIYer and a barbecue enthusiast. But yeah, that's it. Comes in a nice box. So yeah, as it stands, I will be giving away the screwdriver and barbecue accessories and the 5-piece plier set if I reach 1,000 subscribers. But again, you have to be subscribed, you have to like, and you have to comment. And obviously I've got to wait until I reach 1,000 subscribers. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Get me up to 1,000 subscribers and you'll be in with a chance to win these 2 items. Cheers.